बात है।
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए।
माय गॉड।
मैं इसी के साथ कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये एक ऐसा प्रीमियम कार्ड है। हम सब इंटरनेशनल हॉलीडेज की बात करते हैं, इसी कार्ड के साथ आप अपने इंटरनेशनल हॉलीडे में जा सकते हो, which gives 6 nights and 7 days for an holiday package. Okay, now we have our CMD, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, and for that I would like to call the ma'am Pradhania onto the stage, please. Zordar. Thank you, sir.
आओ, एक्सप्रेशन ही बदल दिया।
इसी के साथ मैं
Thank
सर
you.
को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप मैम को प्लीज ओके के साथ प्रेजेंट करें। ओके
मैडम आप भी दीजिए सर को। हाँ
फ्लावर्स किसको नहीं पसंद है?
यस थैंक
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for gracing us with your presence. May I kindly request you to please. Gaurav and team were already on fire, and Sonali ma'am, just you adding to it, it's like heart.
आज को 20 साल हो गए बॉम्बे को आया सो and I'm really honored that media has been so supportive, so very progressive in their approach towards this entertainment industry. I'm just reminded about one famous person whom I had met long back, and that was nobody else but superstar Rajesh Khanna. By chance we met, and then he was telling, "You are the famous son of Pradino." I was surprised because when Bazu ki jab bhi aaya tha, I was sitting in the first row, and he just came in the last moment. And then I said, "Rajesh Khanna sir, I've been your fan for so many years. I'm glad that you recognize me." No, he said, "Reddy sir, my name is Jitin. You can call me Jitin. And remember one thing, Reddy sir, I've seen all your hoardings, your promotional materials in Bombay. Bombay will give you only one chance. If you want to succeed, think big in Bombay and work hard. That is the only advice I can give you." And I think his advice has proved to be very important in my life. His philosophy has changed the entire direction of the country club. And so we are thinking about the famous legend Rajesh Khanna ji, who is no more with us, but then his voice always echoes in my mind. And really, that was a very inspiring conversation what I had with him. And my dear friends, so 20 saal ho gaye, and let's give a big hand for Country Club for the 20 years of survival. And I just also want to thank our guest of honor, Sonali Raut. Actually, she is not a stranger to us. She is a part of the Country Club family. She is regularly using the Country Club Health Club, and in fact, failed to mention that even people like Ekta Kapoor and other film stars also have graced the Country Club. It's great pleasure whenever I come here. And of course, now you're coming back to the main show, and the opening of Bade Dilwale card. This is nothing but my experience recently, last month only. In fact, October 2nd is my birthday. I was in Sri Lanka that particular day. I was given a special party by none other than Arvinda De Silva, World Cup winner for Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan captain, a good friend of mine. So he gave a nice, good party, and that was a very big honor for me in Sri Lanka, because he knew that Country Club also was entering Sri Lanka in a very big manner. My visit to Kandy was very amazing. The visit to Buddhist temple also was very graceful. From there I visited White River Rafting. You have seen in the video that White River Rafting, even this particular shot was shot there. In fact, there is a movie called The Bridge on the River Kwai. If you Google it, you will see that particular movie. It was shot there, and it's one of the most iconic movies I have seen. My dear friends, this was a mark of salute to my old memories back in the day. And and my good friend Arvinda De Silva made up for the trip by inviting me to stay back on that day. Actually, I was supposed to be back home in Hyderabad, but then his personal invitation held me back, and I chose to be there. And it was really an amazing day and a lot of experiences. I want to share the same experiences with all my fellow members. I always feel, my dear friends, that what is good for the chairman of the company is also good for the members. There were times when I started the club, I used to sweat and eat twice a week along with my workers. I am basically a working person, and when I started my career about 30 years back, I was on a motorcycle. But then I'm an entrepreneur. It's not a question of money, it's a question of love. It's a question of passion, it's a question of your commitment to what you're doing. If you ask me who's the happiest person in the world, it is me. I long to get out of the bed, I long to get into the health club, I want to get back to this industry. This industry is a beautiful industry. It gives you an opportunity to meet lovely people, positive people, people who are surrounded very positively. That is the reason Bombay gives me the high. staying and surviving in Bombay with the trains, people starting 2 hours before and trying to hit the work. I always tell this as an example to people out of Bombay. If you want to really learn how to work, go to Bombay and see how they work. They work their butts off, they work 24 hours. They hardly, I don't know what you people eat, but then Bombay gives you the kind of energy which no other city or no other country in the world can give. And so let's give a big hand to Bombay again. So the launch of the new card, I think a lot of people are going to visit. I will personally send you an invitation to all my fellow media people who are here today. We will be my personal guests. I'm sure, I think this year, our office will be in touch with you. And I'm sure we'll make this into a mega project and a great year coming forward. So all the best and I wish you all the luck. Thank you.
Yes, center, look, center. He came.
Oh my gosh, it's like first left to right, right to left. I would like to thank media for coming today and presenting this beautiful show. I would like to say that Chale Sri Lanka with the Bade Dilwale card. Interested? Going to Sri Lanka? And I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy for making me part of Country Club. I would like to thank the team. They have been very supportive, they have been very nice, good hospitality. And I would like to say that I Andheri mein hi rehti hu. I stay very close, just 5 minutes away. And I come to the gym. So I've been part of Country Club. So I think it's almost 10 years I've been part of Country Club. And you can see I'm not into fitness. आप देख सकते हैं कि मुझे fitness का काफ़ी शौक है. आपको आना चाहिए with your family, friends. Join the club. You can use the gym. There are a lot of activities. You can come with your family, with kids, with your parents. There is no age group. और मुझे तो मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. और I'm very happy that I'm international now. Thank you very much कि मुझे अभी कार्ड भी मिल गया, so I'll be traveling a lot. Anyways, I travel a lot. Or I would like to say that it's fun. और एक और चीज़, there is what do you say? On 31st, I have my performance in Country Club. So please be part of it. Join us and let's meet for the countdown. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we are waiting for that stunning performance.
to say about this श्रीलंका में किस तरह का टूरिज्म आप लेकर जाने वाले हैं इंडियंस को और किस तरह का वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस करवाने वाले हैं बड़े वाले कार्ड से.
Yeah, thank you. That's a very interesting question, and I will tell you from the tourism point of view. Yes, Sri Lanka is coming out of a big economic recession, and for 1 rupee it is equal to 3.5 rupees. So you can understand the strength of the rupee compared to the strength of the Sri Lankan rupee. So it's a very, 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 very great package for the Indian consumers, especially for the Asian consumers also. And one of the main reasons, not only because of that, but also because Country Club acts more like a conduit, like a catalyst, like a brand ambassador for culture and tourism to the rest of the world. Like I was telling you earlier in the press conference, we are the biggest holiday givers, and this time we want to concentrate in Sri Lanka because even Bombay se lekar there are 3-4 flights hai. Every day across the country, Kerala se 3 flights hai, Chennai se 3-4 flights hai, Hyderabad se main khud gaya Hyderabad se 90 minutes mein before you land in Delhi, like let us say from Bombay, you can land in Colombo. So it is like more or less an extension of our country only. And today, Sri Lanka does not require a visa, another important thing. You don't have to wait for the hassle for visa and all that. So we are trying to concentrate on aspects that will be very friendly with tourists and also friendly with the Country Club members and people who are non-members also. And people there, you can't discriminate. It's like going to Goa. People are very friendly, very nice, and very, very hospitable, and especially they embrace our culture and they embrace all these things. So you don't feel out of place, number one. Though it is a foreign country, we don't feel that, we are visiting a foreign country, we feel it is a part of India, and also we feel that Goan kind of a culture where there is so much of greenery, so much of water, so much of water sports, and so many spiritual things like this Buddha Truth Temple, and we have a property in Kandy, and it's really amazing. What I'm trying to tell you is, all the synergies are merged, and then I think this is a great product, and people are going to be really, really happy.
So what are the amenities you are providing there, or are you having a plan to expand in Sri Lanka? That you have more clubs?
Yeah, we are in the process of negotiations in Sri Lanka. We may come out with some clubs, more clubs in Colombo. So we are in discussions at this stage. And like I was telling you, because Sri Lanka is going through just recovering from a big economic slowdown, we had discussions basically to set up more clubs in Colombo also.
सर कंट्री क्लब के ये चलो श्रीलंका प्रोग्राम से दोनों देश के रिश्ते को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
It's more friendly यार. एक घंटे का रास्ता है चेन्नई से, बॉम्बे से maybe not even 2 hours. Before you reach Delhi, you can reach Colombo. So definitely people want an opportunity. आजकल traveling has become very, 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 very common. Unlike the previous generation, this generation especially, they want to keep on traveling, and this is the fastest way to travel.
Sonali, what about you? You've been to Sri Lanka before?
I've been to Sri Lanka many times for my work, for performance and shows, and I'm very happy that Country Club gave me this opportunity. So I'll be visiting again. And as you know, the country is very friendly, Sri Lanka. It's a visa-free country. You reach in like maybe in 3-4 hours. From Mumbai. You're in Colombo. I love Colombo basically because the place Kandy, which he mentioned, it's a very it's a seashell. You get shells there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very shell. You can visit there. You can have a holiday. There's a lot of tourism. The water is blue and greenery. So it's amazing. Colombo is my favorite, and now I'm excited. I'll be visiting Country Club also.
And what about your 31st? And how much you have prepared for?
Oh, I'm super excited because I'm doing 31st in Country Club for you guys, and you all are invited. So there's a big celebration, big party. I have my performance. So we'll do the countdown, we'll bring in 2025 and we'll have a good time.
So what is your message for the 2025?
2025, I think it's going to be a beautiful year to everyone. I would like to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The message I would like to say that be kind, be humble, be sweet, and follow your dreams. जो करना है कीजिए. And being a Mumbaikar, मी मराठी मुलगी आहे, मी मराठी बोलते, तर मी सगळ्यांना हेच बोलणार आहे की नवीन वर्षाचे हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
अच्छा, ये किंगफिशर के पोस्टर गर्ल से और चलो श्रीलंका के इस प्रोग्राम से आपके सफर को के बारे में क्या कहें?
Oh my gosh, my first job was Kingfisher calendar. So yeah, it was the first bikini shoot, and it was in the Maldives. So and it was with Dr. Vijay Mallya and Atul Kasbekar. So मेरा first shoot था, बहुत ही memorable था, और उस calendar ने मुझे सब कुछ दे दिया. It gave me platform to movies. It gave me platform to reality show. A lot of doors opened for me. So and I miss Dr. Vijay Mallya.
सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, अभी हमने देखा बांग्लादेश में बहुत अच्छी हालत नहीं थी, उसके पहले श्रीलंका की हालत बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, और सोनाली में वहाँ जा रही हैं, तो सुरक्षा के हिसाब से किस प्रकार की तैयारियाँ, आप क्या अनुभव रहा है, दर्शकों को बता सकें किस प्रकार की सुरक्षा है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा इवेंट भी होने वाला है.
Where you talking about Sri Lanka or?
जी, श्रीलंका.
Security.
Sri Lanka is one of the most safest places today in the world.
It is.
It is. I mean, all those old things have gone, and people are very peaceful, and local people are very nice people. Like I was telling you, I always compare them with people in Goa and all that. They are this thing. Right now, people are only concentrating on the economy, and they are concentrating on fun. And of course, like cricket and Bollywood go hand in hand in India.
Correct.
Like that, there also cricket and entertainment go hand in hand.
And I'm sure, I think, because we share a lot of common friends and everybody is very peaceful.
And lot of Telugu, like.
अगर सोनाली मैम आप बता सके किस गाने पे आप परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं तो दर्शक जान लें।
मैं अपने 2 गानों पे परफॉर्म करूँगी। एक तो मैं रेट्रो रखने वाली हूँ। रेट्रो में तो आई थिंक सभी लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, बच्चे से लेके एल्डर्स तक। तो एक रेट्रो आइटम तो रहने ही वाला है। और अभी जो आपने गाने देखे, जैसे आज की रात, जो भी ट्रेंडिंग है, जो भी हिट सॉन्ग्स है, आई थिंक उसमें कुछ 4 या 5 गानों पे होगा। बट आई एम श्योर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फन।
बिग बॉस भी बहुत तहलका मचा रहा था और बहुत अच्छी टीआरपी आ रही है। अगर बता सके आपका फेवरेट कौन है
इस साल ना? ओ माय गॉश, बिग बॉस, मुझे पता था बिग बॉस का सवाल आएगा और बिग बॉस चल भी रहा है। आई थिंक मेरे जो इस साल फेवरेट है, इस साल मेरे जो दोस्त है करण मेहरा, वो है बिग बॉस पे एंड आई थिंक इज़ डूइंग प्रीटी वेल, इज़ प्लेइंग वेरी वेल। आई थिंक वो मेरे दोस्त रहे हैं। मैंने इनफैक्ट उनके साथ 31st के 2 परफॉर्मेंसेस किए थे गोवा में, आई रिमेंबर। सो वहाँ से हमारी दोस्ती बढ़ी और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि करण बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है शो पे। लोग उसे काफ़ी पसंद भी कर रहे हैं। इज़ कमिंग अक्रॉस लाइक वेरी सेंसिबल, मास्टरमाइंड या पीसफुल, आई डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक इज़ डूइंग प्रीटी वेल ऑन द शो। सो आई थिंक करण मेहरा इज़, एंड आई एम श्योर, आई थिंक वो जीत भी जाएगा। मैंने प्रेडिक्ट भी किया था वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी भी जीतने वाला। आई थिंक ये सीज़न भी जीत जाएगा।
आपने जब बिग बॉस किया था तो इस सीजन में और आपके टाइम में क्या सबसे ज़्यादा बदलाव देखने को मिला?
अच्छा, मैं तो यही बोल सकती हूँ, फर्स्ट तो लोकेशन। हमारा जब बिग बॉस होता था वो लोनावला में होता था, अभी जो है वो गोरेगांव में फिल्म सिटी में सेट लगता है, वो एक डिफरेंस था। और जब लोनावला में बिग बॉस होता था तब सलमान खान और उनकी टीम, मतलब 2 दिन के हॉलीडे पे ही सारे एक्टर्स, सारे बॉलीवुड लाइक सलमान के जितने भी क्लैन और ग्रुप और फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो हमेशा लोनावला में 2 दिन रहते ही रहते थे। और फ़र्क मैं ये कहूँगी कि पहले काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते थे हमारे टाइम पे, अभी काफ़ी मौका मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, नॉन सेलिब्रिटीज़। तो आई थिंक ये एक डिफरेंस है। और आई थिंक लोग अभी काफ़ी अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं, सबको नेम मिल रहा है, फेम मिल रहा है। इट्स अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी एंड यू डू प्रीटी वेल आफ्टर द शो। आपने देखी कि कितने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ बिग बॉस से निकले।
If you get a chance to go in Big Boss Marathi.
Oh, I do have plans this year for Big Boss Marathi. Bye. Oh, I shouldn't. Okay, I do have plans because Karami last year follow करने Big Boss Marathi.
So there are 2 things, especially about this Bade Dilwale card, Sri Lanka. First thing,
Them also. So I mean, it's country club, as you know. Basically, we are not exclusive. We are inclusive. We try to. And like if you were asking what kind of people come to country club, I was telling you have a member's wife, Nana, Nani, Bachchas in the world actually speaking. Because this kind of an environment, if you go to the Western, this thing is only boy and girl or boyfriend, girlfriend or husband, wife. But here was for a family, and this is unbelievable actually. That when 2 million people, it's like a big community coming together. When I first started the country club here, a lot of people said, country club Bombay is dur hai, from the binoculars. That is, country club is going to come there, country club is going to come there. So it is unbelievable story because 20 साल पहले I got an opportunity.
country club आते थे तो ऐसे मुंबई कर आते थे, आज आप एक सेलिब्रिटी हैं, तो दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है country club आने?
It's a very interesting question. जी, पहले मैं ऑफ कोर्स मैंने फैमिली पैकेज लिया था, सो मेरे पूरी फैमिली कंट्री क्लब विज़िट करती है और मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, क्योंकि मैं पास में ही रहती हूँ, सो इट्स बिन वेरी गुड। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए। आई कम हियर टू स्विम और यहाँ पे स्क्वॉश है, यहाँ पे टेनिस है, यहाँ पे जिम है। आई लव फिटनेस, तो मैं ज़्यादा जिम ही यूज़ करती हूँ। और कभी कभी जब टाइम नहीं रहता है जिम के लिए, तो एक क्विक स्विमिंग आई थिंक वो एक बेस्ट रहता है। और यहाँ का खाना लाइक ऑफकोर्स जिम करने के बाद बहुत भूख भी लगती है, तो इनका खाना भी इट्स अमेजिंग। यहाँ के टीम, यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी नाइस, दे आर वेरी केयरिंग, दे मेक श्योर दे टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द मेंबर्स।
Team is the most important thing.
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद तो एक्सपीरियंस अलग रहा होगा।
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद इट्स द सेम एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज फ़र्क यही है कि मैं 31st को परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ. अदरवाइज दे हैव ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड मी लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी ओनली. So this is the best thing.
So good to see you, Reddy sir. I've been watching you. I've been noticing journey of the country club. It's, any celebrity, Selena Jetbu, to numerous people, become a part of it. Now tell us about this Sri Lanka new initiative of yours.
Well, it is a great leap into faith, and also because of the proximity involved, and because of the closeness, and because of the tourism facilities there, having no visa, and also because of the economical conditions there being downtrend, where we were able to afford it, at not even half the cost, less than half the cost. So it's really an amazing move by the country club. A lot of people are really enjoying themselves.
When you mention, I have seen that hoarding, it says Bade Dil Wala card. What does it exactly mean?
Bade Dil Wala means you can have a big heart and spend as much money as you want, because it is almost free of cost. 1 rupee is equal to 3.5 rupees of Sri Lankan. So you can understand how much rupees is appreciated there.
So it means the people who are crying, who are doing hoo-halla about the dollar and comparison of 1 rupee, it can be utilized in Sri Lanka.
Why go to all the US and all the European countries? You can go to as well Sri Lanka, which is as good or maybe, if you ask me, better than those places, because I have, as an entrepreneur, I have traveled all over the world. When I was building Amrita Castle and all that, I used to visit England, remotest parts of England, France, Germany, Spain, Austria, Switzerland. But there is no place like Sri Lanka.
Did you have done some sort of homework? You're sort of a big businessman, where you calculated the Indian rupee and Sri Lankan rupee.
100%. That is very important, because merely I'm just telling the point of view of members, how safe it is, how much easier it is for them to enjoy life there. People are, after COVID, there is a lot of change of mindset of people. People have become very travel conscious. People have become, because a lot of people have died in the COVID time, and then they will see, ये क्या है, एक ज़माने में पैसे सेव करके, to keep it in your bank, keep it in your fixed deposits. Yeah. अभी क्या हो गया, इतना change हो गया people's mindset में, because life has become so temporary. How long we are going to stay and how long we are going to enjoy. They have become health conscious and they become travel conscious. A lot of people are really spending a lot of money on traveling and tourism, and I'm sure, I think this trend is going to continue now.
Why Sonali Rao?
Sonali Rao is because she is a member of the country club, number one. Number two is she can feel the pulse of the country club. She has got friends here, and she is a natural face of the country club.
Any message to the member of yours?
All the members of the club, yes, be with us. We are blessed to have you with us, all the 2 million members. And I'm sure, I think ours is a great community and a happy community and a very happening community. And this year, I'm sure, I think we are going to go ahead in a lot of other places around the world. So it's just a beginning. Be with us, stay blessed, visit these places, and give your honest opinions through, and send it through your videos to our customer care team. Because you are our brand ambassadors. So I always feel like I was telling you there also, no? Like what is good for the chairman of the company is good for the member of the club. Like I was telling you that, twice a week I used to have my lunch or my dinner with my staff, just to make sure that, everything is okay. So I go into such depths of this thing to keep our member fraternity and our working people who are working with us very safe and very happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.